Good morning. Happy Monday. So this is week 3 of our online learning, and we're continuing with some surface area and volume. This first lesson is volume of pyramids and cones. So I'm just going to show you the formula for that on the notes paper. Remember that there's the formula sheet that has all of the formulas. Maybe we'll look at both of them actually. And then it's just review. So on the edge elastic, you'll see a little bit of everything. And so you really need to pay attention to what formula you need. Is it surface area? Is it volume? What kind of shape is it? And as you're working through that, if you have any questions, remember that we will hop on for a Zoom call on Thursday. We'll do 11 a.m. again for the Zoom call. So as you're doing your edge elastic, wait to submit it maybe, or submit it, and then if whatever ones you got wrong, you need to ask for help, and then you could always redo it. We did a lot of that last week. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the notes, show you some of the formulas and reminders. As always, email with questions. You can also just comment right on the Google Classroom if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see it, which Monday through Thursday, it should be quick. My computer's up all the time. The boys are working on schoolwork. I'm working on stuff. Weekends might be a little bit longer because I'm not necessarily sitting in front of my computer then. We aren't doing much of anything because we're all at home, but it just might take a little bit longer for me to get back to you. All right. Good luck, guys. Okay, so this is our formula. Okay, so this is our formula sheet. The top is the really basic just areas. These are your just two-dimensional flat shapes, right? And then it gets into the three-dimensional shapes. So everything has a volume and a surface area option. So when you're doing the edge elastic at the end of the week, make sure you pay attention to what it's asking you. It might even ask you for both. Today we're doing volume of cones right here and pyramids. So this big B right here is an area also then. So that means area of the base. That's why it's shaded, and there's like this B right here to tell you. You've got to find the area of that base first, and then multiply it times the height, and then it's 1/3. You can multiply by 1/3 in your calculator. You can also just multiply these and then divide by 3. That's the same thing as cutting something into 1/3. It's dividing it by 3. The cone is 1/3 times pi times the radius of that circle base. Make sure it's the half part, not the all the way across diameter. And then times the height. The height is the one that comes right here, okay? All right. On this first notes paper here, volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height, just like a couple of these to go through with you. So to find the area of the base, it's just a rectangle. It's going to be 10 times 11, right? Length times width, which is 110. And then for my formula, I'm going to have 1/3 times that 110, the area of the base, times the 16. And then we just plug that in our calculator. You should get 586.67 inches cubed. Okay, so the next two are rectangular bases. This one here doesn't have a height. So there was one like this on your edge elastic last week. You've got to find your height. We're going to do Pythagorean theorem for that. Now, if this is 14 all the way across, this little base here has got to be 7, right? That little one. And then this we know is 25. So we'll go x squared plus 14, nope. No, 7 squared, sorry. X squared plus 7 squared equals 25 squared. And so x squared, it's going to be, we'll subtract that over. I'm just saving some steps here. X is going to equal 24. So my height is 24 then. Okay, so you'll need that. Got to find the area of the base next. Area of the base is just going to be 14 times 14. Because it's a square, 14 times 14 is 196. And then for the volume formula, this one here, equals 1/3, that 196, the area of the base, times the height, that's what we just found, so times 24. Plug that into your calculator and you should get 1568 feet cubed. Okay, let's look at a triangle one. Our bases are triangles, so to find the area of this triangle is 1/2 base times height. So the area of the triangle is going to be 1/2 that 14, right? Times this. Well, now there's another tricky one. This is where it can't be this one. That's not the height, or this is base times height. So we've got to do Pythagorean theorem again. X squared plus 14 squared equals 221. This notes page is really challenging you. You're going to end up with x squared equals 292.41. X equals 17.1. I swear that the Edulastic is not this hard. So 1/2 14 times 17.1. You're going to get 119.7 for that. I am buzzing through these. You can go back through, pause me, shut me up so that you can try it on your own first. Because I really am just flying through this. So then the formula for the volume is 1/3 area of the base, which is 119.7, times the height, which is this 19 right here. So you should get 758.1 meters cubed. Okay, let's do a volume cone. So this one we've got 1/3 pi r squared height. So volume equals, well, let me get my answer sheet at the right spot. 1/3 pi times 9 squared times 17. Okay, so that's another, just kind of your calculator will get you there. 1441.99 yards cubed. Okay. Word problems are just for challenge. See what you can come up with those as you work through it. And then the second lesson is just this review. So you have volume and surface area of these shapes. And so you'll really want to use your formula sheet for that because you're going to hop around and do all different things. Okay. So let me know what questions you have. Probably toward the end of the week if you guys want, let me know. But I can just give you the answers to these and you can check that over. That might be a good thing for us to do. All right. Good luck, guys.